Fruties, it's Viviana, and today we're going to be trying to achieve Victorian rag curls. That hairstyle was definitely not made for me. However, I saw this video in my YouTube recommendations from WHlTE. I hope I said that right. And I should admit that I almost didn't even click on her video because the first thing I was thinking to myself is, she doesn't have red hair. We don't see texture. So for today, we're going to be trying another hair tutorial from someone who doesn't have hair like mine.
Hey guys! I did it! I finally tried rag curls, so today I am going to show you how to create authentic Victorian style curls, although this method was used all throughout history. It's a very old method, very effective as you can see. Rag curling, what you're going to need are rags.
So she had 6 pieces of rags and I have here 12 pieces of rags. And by rags I mean I cut up 2 of my t-shirts, well, 1 t-shirt and 1 merino to get 12 strips of cloth rags.
And you want these rags to be approximately twice as long as your hair, and then I like to just clip all of the rest of my hair away so that I only have that 1 piece of hair.
That's some big sections. This is so much smaller than her section, but I think this would be safer.
And then I spray that with a little bit of water until it's damp.
I'm going to need a little more than just water to help set my curls. So I'm going to be using a curling cream and a little foaming mousse to help set my hair. So she clips the rag on top of her hair. And she says to keep it nice and flat. So I ensure my hair is nice and detangled, as flat as I can get it. And now I'm going to wrap the hair away from my face. Try and get the roots nice and tight. It's working.
And then when you reach the end of your hair, you're going to take the rest of the rag, spread it out, and then you're going to wrap this back up around the hair that's around the rag.
Spread it out and wrap the cloth all the way back up. The rag was way longer than I needed it to be. And all she did at the top was to just make a little knot to secure it. I made my first rag curl! I'm really curious to see how this is going to turn out at the end. On my hair. I have my cream, 2 mousse, 2 pumps of mousse. Let's wrap it away from my face. noticed that I had to cut off another t-shirt to make some more rags. So in all, I have, let me count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I used a total of 21 rags to complete my hair. Now I'm just gonna allow my hair to dry and I'll show you how the results look. I'm kind of worried about how long this is going to take to dry though. There's not much air getting through to my hair. So I allowed my hair to completely air dry and now it's time to pull out these rags. Alright, let's try this front one first. Whoa, that's tight. The more these things I pull out, the more excited I am to see the final results. I have never seen my hair like this before. I don't know what to think. Wow. I don't have any words. You know what they look like? Faux locks. You know the pre-made ones that you crochet into your hair? Those. So from the pictures I've seen, the authentic Victorian way to wear these curls are just like this. Well, with a center part, but I don't think center parts fit me, so that's why I did a side part. But other than that, that's supposed to be worn tight. But even WHlTE had to loosen those curls a bit.
I think this is a gorgeous look. It's very authentic, historical, but I personally like it a little bit better when it's brushed through just once with a Barbasol brush. It makes it look a little bit softer.
So I'm gonna bring these curls into the modern world a little bit, and I'm gonna use my Sleek and Shine serum and separate the curls to get more volume.
Catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Feeling the crew, dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Top of me want my knee pay. They wanna put me on the display, but me I know say make them watch me on the TV. Yo. Want my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Check it raw and okay. If they play my
wow. I never imagined this would be my results from doing rag curls. You know what they look like? Finger coils. Except I don't have the hair type to do finger coils, but I've seen other people do finger coils and it looks something like this. Anyway, beauties, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, you probably should reconsider, since we're almost at 1 million subscribers, and once we hit 1 million subscribers we might not have enough space for you, so you might want to subscribe now. So let me help you out, and I'll leave some more of my videos up in the iCards so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then after like the second or the third video, you should realize that you continue watching my videos because you enjoy my content and it just makes sense you subscribe. Okay beauties, thanks again for watching.